Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about group by class in SQL and how to use this group by class in SQL. So basically, it is used to group the records based on the column to calculate aggregates like count, minimum, maximum, sum, average for each group. Okay. So here column is nothing but it's a country, and we are going to group this country names using group by class. So it means we can group the records based on customers in each country, like counting the number of customers in each country. And another example is we can group the records based on students joining year, like finding number of students joined in 2020 and number of students joined in 2021 and count of number of students joined in 2022. And another example is we can group the records based on sum of sales by product category, like finding sum of sales in this furniture category and finding sum of sales in electronics category. So let's go to MySQL workbench and let me run this query. So here are totally 16 rows of the students data who are joined in 2020, 21 and 22. So let me order this by year, order by. So I'm going to give this column name joining year, and I will run this query. So here you can see all the names based on this year, right? There are totally 6 number of students who joined in 2020, and here are is approximately 7 number of students joined in 2021, and there are 3 number of students have joined in 2022. So if I just use count function here, and I'm going to give name inside this count function. So let me run this query, and it is going to retrieve total number of students joining in all the years 2020, 21 and 22. So what if we want to get all the count of students from each year? So we are going to use this group by class to group the years, group by joining year. So it is going to retrieve the count of students by each year. So here are, let me give joining year column name, and I will run this query again. So here are totally 6 number of students joined in 2020 and 7 number of students joined in 2021, and here are 3 number of students joined in 2022. So this is how to use this group by function. So if you want to retrieve only count of students from only 2020 or 21 or 22, then we can use this where class after this table name students, where joining year is equals to 2022. So it is going to give count of students from 2022 only. So this where clause is used to filter the records. It means where clause will extract only records based on the condition. So let me run this query. So it is showing the count of students from 2022. So this is how to use this group by clause in SQL. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my channel.